The blue Java banana, also known as the ice cream banana, is a unique and fascinating fruit. Native to Southeast Asia, this banana is a hybrid of two species, Musa balbisiana and Musa acuminata. Its story begins in the warm tropical climates of Southeast Asia, where it grew wild before becoming a cherished cultivar across the globe. This hardy banana tree, standing tall at 15 to 20 feet, thrives in cold weather and withstands strong winds. Its silvery green leaves shimmer in the light, creating a striking image against the landscape. As the tree matures, small bunches of bananas begin to form, 7 to 9 hands, each fruit about 7 to 9 inches long. Unripe, these bananas show off a stunning silvery blue hue, almost as if they're kissed by frost. But as they ripen, they shift to a pale yellow, revealing a creamy white flesh inside. Bite into one, and you'll taste a sweet, aromatic flavor reminiscent of vanilla custard, hence the name ice cream banana. Known by different names around the world, Krie in the Philippines, Kepok Awu in Indonesia, and Cenizo in Central America, this banana is as much a cultural icon as it is a delicious treat. It's enjoyed fresh, cooked, or even as an ornamental plant, prized for its beauty and tolerance to different climates. After 15 to 24 months of growth, the tree blooms and produces fruit that can be harvested in about 115 to 150 days. With a unique texture and the signature knuckles that resemble human hands, the blue Java banana stands out, both visually and in flavor. It's a fruit that invites curiosity and satisfies with its rich, creamy taste. Thanks for watching.